Good morning, children. Today I am going to deal with the topic human reproductive system, which is the most important system which help in production of our own offspring, which are identical like their parents. The capacity to reproduce is one of the most important characteristic of living being. There is a distinct sexual dimorphism in human being, that is, males are visibly different from female in physical build-up, external genital organ and secondary sexual character. The reproductive system of male and female consists of many organs which are distinguished as primary and secondary sex organ. The primary sex organs are gonads, which produce gametes and secrete sex hormone. The secondary sex organ include the genital duct and gland, which help in the transportation of gametes and enable the reproductive process. The reproductive organ become functional after attaining sexual maturity. In male, sexual maturity is attained at the age of 13 to 14 years. In female, it is attained at the age of 11 to 13 years. This age is known as age of puberty. During sexual maturity, hormonal changes take place in male and female, and secondary sexual characters are developed under the influence of these hormones. Male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of testes, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis and accessory gland. Testes. A pair of testes lies outside the abdominal cavity of the male. These testes are the male gonads, which produce male gametes, that is sperm, and male sex hormone testosterone. Along the inner side of each testis lie a mass of coiled tubules called epididymis. The Sertoli cells of the testes provide nourishment to the developing sperm. Scrotum. The scrotum is a loose pouch-like sac of skin which is divided internally into right and left scrotal sac by muscular partition. The two testes lie in the respective scrotal sac. It also contains many nerves and blood vessels. The scrotum acts as a thermoregulator organ and provides an optimum temperature for the formation of sperm. The sperm develop at the temperature of 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, lower than the normal body temperature. Vas deferens. It is a straight tube which carries the sperm to the seminal vesicle. The sperms are stored in the seminal plasma of seminal vesicle, which is rich in fructose, calcium and enzyme. Fructose is a source of energy for the sperm. The vas deferens, along with seminal vesicle, opens into ejaculatory duct, which expels the sperm and its secretion from seminal vesicle into the urethra. Urethra contains inside the penis and conveys the sperm from the vas deferens which pass through the urethral opening. The accessory gland associated with the male reproductive system consists of seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and corpus gland. The secretion of these glands form seminal fluid and mixes with the sperm to form semen. This fluid provides nutrition and helps in the transport of sperm. The sperm is the smallest cell in the male body. A normal male produces more than 500 billion sperm cells in his lifetime. The process of formation of sperm is known as spermatogenesis. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of ovaries, oviduct, ureter, uterus and vagina. Ovaries. A pair of almond-shaped ovary is located in the lower part of abdominal cavity near the kidneys in female. The ovaries are the female gonad which produce female gametes and secrete female sex hormones. A mature ovary contains a large number of ova in different stages of development. Fallopian tubes, these are paired tubes originating from uterus, one on either side. The terminal part of fallopian tube is funnel-shaped with finger-like projection called fimbriae, lying near the ovary. The fimbriae pick up the ovum released from the ovary and push it into the fallopian tube. Uterus is a pear-shaped muscular hollow structure present in the pelvic cavity. It lies between urinary bladder and rectum. Development of fetus occurs inside the uterus. The narrower lower part of uterus is called cervix, which leads into vagina. The uterus narrows down into a hollow muscular tube called vagina. It connects cervix and the external genitalia. It receives the sperm, acts as birth canal during childbirth. An ovum is the largest human cell. The process of formation of ovum is known as oogenesis.